Hey, Sadie from HonestPet.com. Today I'm here with our breeder series to talk to you about a very funny topic of dew claws. Here are 3 reasons why you should continue to remove the dew claws of your puppies. First of all, you should always have this procedure done by a veterinarian when the puppies are super young so that they don't feel or remember anything. Let's talk about reasons why you want to get those dew claws out of the way. I am talking hygiene, injuries, and ingrowns. So, hygiene. The dew claw sits higher up on the foot of the dog, so a lot of times it can catch dirt and debris and trap that indoors, and it kind of gets dirty and grimy because it doesn't wear against anything. And on the same vein, as it doesn't wear against anything, it also doesn't naturally file down. So a lot of times you'll see older dogs with their dew claws intact, with these long, curly, ingrown nails that are actually growing back into their paws and causing of discomfort. That can lead to infection, it can become an abscess. We don't want to mess with that. And the third reason why you'll want to remove those dew claws is because of injuries. And the reason why injuries happen, which is something you should describe and explain to all of your buyers, is that again, as that dew claw sits up much higher on the dog's foot, it can get caught on things. Blankets, rugs, there's a lot of things in everyday life that could get trapped. So for those reasons, Honest Pet fully supports that breeders continue humanely removing the dew claws of all their puppies. Thank you so much for joining us at HonestPet.com's Honest Series today. I hope to see you guys again next time, and don't forget to follow us on all the socials at Honest Pet.